record. All right, so I'm gonna go into something called light filters, and we'll see how they work. So I'll go to add right here. I'll click on let's see, light decay. Let's just say. Actually, don't remember which light decay does. You know what I do? I gotta find the lights. So let me go to show objects and then go to lights. And if I want to ever go back, I just go to show objects and click on all or clear below, and I get everything back again. So I'm gonna go to lights and let me hide this skylight. A whole bunch of light spheres. That kind of throws me off from what I'm trying to do. Let me go to Arnold, Utilities, Light Manager. All right, that window's not working for me right now. Sometimes that happens. I don't know if it's because of recording or what. Hmm. We do like this. I already saved the scene, so I'll just delete these. Okay. So I'll do this one right here, right click, assign new material, Arnold, and student surface. Well, I guess for you, you would do this. Well, since this already has one surface, I'll just name it 3D. Give it that yellow. And then I'll do this. I'll go to the faces and just select that front face. Because remember, different shader. Right click, assign new material. Let's name it fronts. Okay, and then I'll select it. And then I go assign. No. I won't do that. First, let's give it a render just to see what it's looking like. So there's something over here on the right. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's one of these light spheres. Maybe it's these two. Oh no, these still have lights. So delete, delete, and we'll delete that. So now I just have the letters, and then I'll do a Arnold lights um, mesh light to play. This is show original mesh. And then there was one that said show the, oh, light visible. That's what it is. So it almost seems like you should hide it and then have another one that shows the real thing. What do I mean by that? This is what I mean. So we have this one right here. I'll do control, oh wait, control D, control Z. All right, so this one would be raw letters. So name it that. So bring it to the top for organization. I don't know why I can't see the real letters. If I click on this, assign existing material.
Do you have the original mesh turned on?
All right, so if I click on this and press hide,
On the mesh light itself?
what is happening? No, I'm just trying to get the geometry, just the letters. So I don't know why this, unless I do this, control C, I'll do another control D. Yeah, I don't know. I guess I should have copied that in the beginning. Well, I guess if you already turned it into a light, I don't really know how to classify that because I really can't duplicate it. But I'm trying to just duplicate this mesh, but now, that's why me personally, I like to duplicate something just in case it gets to a point like this where I don't know what's happening. I mean, it shouldn't be too bad. You're just making some Halloween letters, but I don't know how to see the letters now. Let me do this. I think I have to do this. Yeah, I'll have to do this. Let's start it over. All right, so this is what I mean, right? So since I have this right now, I should just control D and just have it here. So I'll just do like this, call it raw letters or something. And then there are these two things. Sphere. Oh no, we have to go to lights again, right? Lights. Delete these. Show objects clear below. And we'll click on this sphere to this one. And I'll just get them all. deselect this thing, do a Control G, so we have all those spheres in a group. Control D. Control D. I'll move it again. Yeah, I can see why that file's large now. Just because when I tried to duplicate that, it kind of did a little lag thing. You know what? Just for randomization, let's just go like this. Now we have this. All right. So this here, we do our render. Just like that. Let's hide the sky dome. Do one more. Okay. So I'll click on my letters. Light letters. And I'll click on this. Assign the material. So go here, Arnold Lights, Mesh Light. Now play. 20. Okay. All right. Light visible. See what that's doing. Off light visible. Show original mesh. I think that's only because this is showing. So if I went here and I press H to hide it, we're invisible. I click on this. Show original mesh. So now my question is this the same thing? Hold down shift, making a render region. So this, I'm going to click here to snapshot it. Click off of this. Click on this. H to unhide. Snapshot. So it looks like it does something similar, but the one where you show the actual letters more toned down, I guess. It's more of a glow, which might be a good thing. Okay, at least we know we can do that now. Light filters. So right now, since we have this right here, and this is a light, let's just put it on 15. We see what it's doing. Sort of brightish. So we're gonna put a filter on it. So we're on this light right now. We'll click on add, and let's just do light blocker. And this little box is down here, all right? So if I select it, where should the box be though? Because there it is right there. So if I take it, yeah, so I gotta select it. I forgot how to select it. Now if I take this and I place this like this, let's see what happens. Press play. It's doing that. Now if I go to density and I turn this up and press play, what happens? All right, yeah. So you see, that box gave me like a cutoff, which kind of takes that light. Well, let's just see what it's doing, right? Let's go into our render camera and let's see. Oh, it was in the render camera. Oh, that's why I was doing it like that. So if I lower this, you see what's happening? It's like giving us like a cutoff, like a density, like a gradient. So it's like, all right, we're gonna be bright, and as more we get to the center, the less bright we're gonna be. And if I like raised it up, so now it's in the middle doing that. Now here's the thing: if I take it like this, put it halfway over these letters, it's at a full density. What the? Oh no. So if we take it and we put it down to like half, probably raise it off the ground, maybe not have that there, and probably won't have that that shape.